miracle. Look, the seed is now a sprout.
Because I am so filled with doubt, I'll never...
I'm Worm. I'm your underground ally. I wouldn't dream of eating you. Right here. You just have to remember to watch your step. I'm just showing my new friend Sprout around down here.
What did she say?
Oh, she says there's karaoke at the Compost Pub tonight.
They look like a family.
Oh, yeah. There are all kinds of families down here living and working and playing and growing, just like up top.
My best friend is a worm. I'm sure he's very tasty. But don't say that. I don't know what to do. I'm a doubtful sprout. Well, I can't save us. You save us.
Okay.
Grow strong.
Good job, Sprout.
I am a definite sprout. I know that I will grow because I have all my friends and the new things that I know when I popped out of my seed pod.